Today, we're turning this abandoned wooden cabin into this beautiful place to live. Let's restore it together. For years, this cabin has been swallowed by the forest. But today, someone finally returns to bring it back to life. Thick vines have taken over this porch for years. But with every cut, the forgotten cabin slowly begins to reappear. Roots have wrapped around this porch for years. But slowly, the workers begin pulling the cabin free. Before rebuilding begins, every beam is checked, every wall measured, and the damaged wood carefully marked. Up on the roof, the damage is cleared away. And new shingles slowly bring the cabin back to life. New wooden planks are secured one by one, slowly rebuilding the cabin's weathered walls. With every bolt tightened and every screw secured, the porch slowly comes back to life. Careful hands clean away years of dust. Layer by layer, the cabin begins to look alive again. Fresh soil lines the path, and new shrubs bring life back to the cabin's entrance. After all the hard work, the path is clean, and the old cabin finally stands restored. This was the first look of this abandoned wooden cabin, which was very annoying and very dirty. Now this is after the restoration, the wooden forest cabin into beautiful wooden cabin, which is looking very nice. If you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please.